Hi teachers, in this video we'll learn how to link a button from our home page to one of our apps like STMath or Lexia, Sora, etc. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to my home page and bring in an image that I want to link. So I'll go here to my home page and click on Edit. And then over here I'm going to click on Images because I need to import the image into my course before I can use it. So I have a Google Images page open and I have search for STMath. The first one that comes up is this, so I want to use that. So I'm going to open it and then I can just right click Save Image As and give it a name right here. I'll just use what they have. I know it's going to my desktop, so know where it's going. And I'm going to save it. I'll go back to my course and I'm going to upload a new image. Choose the file, go find it, it's right here. And before I drop it into my course, I want to tell Canvas where to put it. So I've got to go here. I've got to find where my cursor is blinking. That's where it's going to put it. So, right, come on. Okay, I've got a spot for it right here. And this alternative text is for screen readers. So we're going to tell the screen reader what this says, STMath GG, and then upload. So once my image is here, I'm going to save that for just a minute. We'll link it after we create the assignment we want to embed STMath into. So I'm going to go to my modules and I'm going to add it here. So you would add your assignment to one of your modules. We'll call it STMath. I'm going to open that up and edit. And we're going to use the external tool or LTI function in Canvas. So this embeds STMath into an assignment. So under submission type, we're going to pick external tool, and then we're going to click on find. These are alphabetical. We're going to go to STMath. Right here. We'll click on that. Okay, then we'll click select. Here's the URL it's pointing to, and we're going to save. Now let's bring that assignment excuse me, together with the image from our home page. So go back here. Edit. We'll go find our button image right here. So we're going to highlight that and then come over here on the right and you can see link to other content in the course. Click any page to insert a link to that page. So we're looking for our modules. And it was this homepage materials. Sorry, we don't want to link to that module, so let's undo that. Here's the undo. Here is my undo link. So we're going to undo that. We're going to go here to assignments. and it was called ST Math. So we're going to link directly to that assignment. We're going to save. And now you can see if I'm a student in here and I click on this, it goes to the ST Math page, and students will click in and work on that.